Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Warm Yellow Shade. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Silhouette Cameo 3. I bought this cutter a little while ago. It arrived on Monday and I've been waiting to do this video. Just hasn't been the right time. So I'm pretty excited. Today is Wednesday and yeah, let's see what's inside. So there are two really popular cutters on the market for home use, and one is the Cricut and the other is the Silhouette. I chose this one because first of all it was a little bit less expensive, and also the offline feature that was appealing to me. I didn't want to have to work online while building my files. So first things in here, we have our setup website. I guess I should mention that I'm opening it as sticker shop, and well, I'm getting ready to go on that, hopefully opening it up this winter, and yeah, finally purchasing all the tools I need. So here is power cable, and the USB plug-in. This must be the cutting mat. So this surface is tacky, and you would like, for those of you unfamiliar with sticker making or paper cutters, you would lay your sticker paper or whatever it is that you want to cut on this mat and feed it through the cutter. And it's slightly adhesive so that the paper stays flat. If there's any snap, crackle, pop in the background, it's the fireplace. It's officially snowing today, and I guess it's wintertime here in Ontario, Canada. Wow. Looks like this is where everything goes in. Looks like it can take a USB memory. That's the cable that connects to the computer, power cable, and the power button. Let me get this box out of the way. And here's the machine in all its glory. Ta-da! So, looks like the lid is sealed. And here would be the cutter heads. Actually, I don't know. Mine is in the package. Oh, it's in here. There we go. So there's the little cutter head. I'm gonna have to figure out the calibrating for the paper that I'm using, and that's gonna be a little bit of a mission in itself. I'll be doing that soon. And here is the paper tray. Looks like there's some little compartments down here. Oh, to put in your tools. Oh, that's kind of cool. So to put in your paper tools, which I don't have any of at the moment, but I'm just going to go in there. And I'll put this here if it fits. No. And this looks to be the interface. Oh, this can set up in here. I guess that's where you can put your extra cutting tools. And I'm gonna have to read the manual and figure this stuff out, but I'm pretty excited to get this going, my sticker project. And once I get a few cuts out, I'll show you how the machine is working out. If you'd like to get any updates on my progress with my sticker shop, I post on Instagram regularly. So yeah, Warm Yellow Shade on Instagram as well. And I hope you found this interesting. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.